How to make a mobile game, a guide for new developers. In the first quarter of 2021 alone, there were over 14 billion game downloads. A Just report, Mobile App Trends 2022 noted a 32% increase in gaming app installs in 2021 and found that 52% of consumer spending on gaming is now mobile. With such riveting figures, everyone out there wants to create their very own game app. But there's very little information out there on how to create your mobile game. What are the essentials? What tech stacks should you use? What types of game apps can you make? What's the exact process to build a mobile game app? This guide will address the most common questions developers must answer before creating a mobile gaming app. How can I make a mobile game without coding? Game engines are a key part of the game development process, and some allow you to create a game with little to no coding knowledge. Engines like GameMaker, Construct3, and BuildBox allow amateur game developers to build games without coding experience. Types of no-coding engines. Game templates allow changes to basic details of a game like music, characters, or backgrounds. Drag-and-drop options provide a list of actions that can be applied to objects in the game. Visual scripting offers a graphical way to manipulate objects and behaviors for those who don't like to code. How to make games for Android. Game makers often use the Android Game Development Kit, AGDK, which Google calls a full range of tools and libraries to help you develop, optimize, launch, and iterate on high-quality Android games. Additionally, check out Google's guide to help developers get started for in-depth insights on initial steps. How to make games for iOS. After registration, Apple allows developers to download the Xcode Development Kit. If you're only developing your game for iOS, Apple's Swift programming language may make the most sense. In doing so, your app will be able to use new iOS features as soon as they're released. Can you make a mobile game for free? There are several free, open-source game engines developers can use to create their mobile gaming apps. The Godot engine is an open-source solution specializing in cross-platform game development. Armory is also an open-source 3D engine that offers full scriptable image generation. Unity aims to be a one-size-fits-all solution for game developers. How much does it cost to make a mobile game app? Starloop estimates that game development costs typically in a range from $3,000 for simple mini-games to $150,000 for more complex multiplayer games. Therefore, it's essential to make a list of development costs before diving into app development. Those are the secret ingredients for developing the best game app. Now it's time to make a game that people will remember for ages, like Mario, due to its exceptionally amazing design, yet a simple style.